Alright guys, here's the latest update. Finally got the tank inside the frame. We got something down here. And the closets are drywalled. I'm in the process right now of hanging the doors. For the second closet right there, and the service closet for the fish tank. Now, I haven't drywalled this yet because what I want to do is go ahead and plumb this whole thing up first. But it's going to take me a while because what I have to do with this sump is modify it a little bit. The way this guy had this sump set up was, I don't know if you can see the hole right there, but he had it drawn from the center of the sump. And what I want to do is drill a new hole so it's drawn from the left side of the sump, and my drains from the tank will be going into there. So it's going to take me a little bit, but that's where I'm going with it. And once I get it all plumbed in, and while I'm getting it plumbed in, I'll give you guys updates. And in the meantime, one of my next projects is picking out a protein skimmer for that sump. So if you guys have any suggestions about a protein skimmer, let me know. And when I finish those doors, I'll shoot another update to you guys. Thanks for watching. See ya.